3 BHK duplex house, 158 square yards, 1845 SFT. At present plastering work going on. This is east facing entrance. East facing entrance. Row houses. Gated community. We are entering here east facing. This is car parking area. Car parking. North side door. East entrance. Hall. This is hall. And here guest bedroom. And here sit out. Open kitchen. Open kitchen. Coming. Open kitchen. Here dining. Here dining. Guest bedroom. And attached bathroom. Western toilet coming with cupboard, rooftop cupboard, storage purpose. Western toilet coming. Here dressing area. This is dressing and toilet. Western toilet. Present plastering work is going on. Here is sitting area. And wash area. Kitchen, open kitchen and wash area, that's it. First floor. This is ground floor and we are going first floor. Plastering work, big work completed. Plastering work is going on. This is children's bedroom. 2 windows. Attached toilet. 2 windows, attached toilet. All doors are takeouts. This is master bedroom. Master bedroom size is 20 by 12 size. Attached western toilet and dressing area. This is dressing area. Surrounding, this is 6.5 acres gated community. Work is going on. Pillars stage. Some villas are brickwork going on. Footage stage. This is master bedroom. 20 by 12 size. Here is sitting area. And this is balcony. East entrance view. Nearby Yellanki College, Hyderabad Delhi Public School. Gated community villas. We are going second floor. This is view of the top floor. These are all row houses within the same colony, 6.5 acres. All are east facing. These are west facing. This is ODF colony. That is also gated community. Nearby other projects, gated community projects. In this same venture, these are east and west facing houses. Work is going on. Few days work. Everything is work is going on. Nearby gated community projects, apartments, everything. That is 100 feet road going on outside of the project. Near to Ring Road. That is Yellanki College, Yellanki Engineering College, Hyderabad Delhi Public School. Nearby Biranguda, Patanchur. Gated community. Villas GHMC approved villas project. This is top here top water storage purpose, water storage. Here staircase will come, and we are going down area, staircase. Within 3 months total work completed. This is first floor, master bedroom, 20 by 12 size, and attached western toilet, dressing area, and here children's bedroom, attached toilet, 12 by 10 size, attached toilet, 2 windows, UPVC windows with grills coming, attached toilet, attached children's toilet. This is 12 by 10 size, and it is sitting area, TV unit, lavish open area, and we are going down ground floor. This is open kitchen with granite platform will come, and here it is wash area, here it is dining and guest bedroom, and it is balcony, ground floor balcony, UPVC window will come. This is 14 by 12 size, bedroom size is guest bedroom 14 by 12 size, and attached western toilet with the dressing area. These are the view of the house. Plastering work going on. From house to house, its distance roughly 8 feet gap. From one house to another house, 8 feet gap. This is view of the east facing houses. View of the east facing houses. I will show this. I will record this video house of the video. These are east facing houses, row houses, 6.5 acres gated community. Work is randomly going on adjacent to 100 feet road. This is 100 feet road. This is 100 feet road.